plane, but it has an open window. There's no window where you can pull it down, and it's really cool. And there's nowhere to put your luggage. It's really hot. It's like the I'm starting to feel like here because of the wind.
Look at that beautiful church and cathedral.
Wow. Look down if you dare. Look at that beautiful church over there. Oh.
Let's conserve battery, but let everybody know we'll be taking pictures and videos, and we'll see them throughout the day.
We'll be taking pictures.
So catch you later.
Catch you later. A little later when we're off this thing.